Today, I want to talk about TikTok's self-attributing network. Overall, TikTok believes that 79% of all conversions as a result of an ad being seen through TikTok are being misrepresented when viewed through a last click attribution model. In response, they're looking to adopt a self-attributing model in order to close that gap. So let's talk about what a self-attributing model is. Imagine if I saw an ad on TikTok today. However, I made my purchase tomorrow after I did a Google search and went to the website. TikTok will still gain that credit even though I made the purchase through Google search. So I believe that this is very beneficial for the social platforms. However, some of the cons that come with this is that there's often a huge discrepancy between the results that we're seeing within the platform and the results being seen through third-party measurement partners. In my experience, I've seen anywhere up to like a 90% discrepancy versus the conversions that we're seeing on third-party measurement partners such as Google Analytics and Adobe, just to name a few. And once again, this is very natural as a lot of brands and businesses and advertisers use a last-click attribution model because it's typically the most straightforward model. However, the drawback to this is that you are missing out on understanding the entire consumer journey, as it has to begin somewhere, and that typically is within some of the social platforms. My solution is to use a mix of multiple measurement models to understand your consumer journey. I believe that there's not a one-size-fits-all approach, and I'll go through a few measurement models that get a holistic view of the customer journey and where each channel fits into the funnel. Starting with last click attribution model. This is helpful for understanding which drove the immediate results. This is usually more serving the Google searches of the world in exchange for not having visibility into the social networks of the world. You also have multi-touch attribution, which is called MTA for short. This is more serving to upper funnel channels, social being one of those, allowing you to understand where demand is being generated at and what's contributing to incrementality on platforms like Google search. And lastly, you have marketing mix modeling, which is called MMM for short. This is very beneficial for predicting results during certain time periods of the year, and what's usually required is a very nimble and fluid investment mix between the channels. However, you can start off with a very informed prediction, and this is what MMM modeling allows for. So overall, using a mixture of these three measurement models can allow you to gain a very holistic view of your customer journey from beginning to end without being fully reliant on one partner to tell your story. So that wraps up our talk for today. I hope you found this information valuable. If you want to join in on the conversation, feel free to leave a comment below. Or if you have any questions, send me a DM and we can get a one-on-one conversation set up. Thank you. Have a good day.